Hello, it's a bit of an unusual update this time. So while I'm developing the main project, which is mostly focused around writing and reading data on an old tape drive, I also realized that probably it would be an interesting project to try and design and build a fully custom drive myself from scratch using only the parts that are available today. So it's been a really long time spent in research for the parts, some CAD designs. I designed everything in Blender and in KiCad. Blender is pretty intuitive. You can put parts together and see how they mesh up, how everything works. And KiCad is actually necessary for making the PCB. The PCBs are very nice mechanical foundation for this mechanism. So it has 3 PCB boards that form the base plate and the other one. That's kind of a sandwich. There are also some 3D printed parts. I don't currently have a 3D printer, and probably it's for the better because GLC PCB prints are way above everything that I could do with my old printer, really. They have very good tolerances and the materials are really nice. So this is just a quick montage of what formerly was almost 2 hours of fumbling around with the parts that I have received in mail. It was a really long waiting time, so I was really hurrying to try it all, to put everything together. There were some blunders, like the motor control boards, which is going to use a simple FOC, by the way. This board, I kind of messed it up, and it barely fits. It definitely doesn't fit with the USB connector in. But otherwise, I think I will be able to debug at least some things with this board. It's kind of a long-going project that's going in parallel with the main one. But eventually I would like this to be a proper data drive. It will have full motor control with these little BLDC motors. And the heads, which I do not yet have here, they will be fixed. And this whole design is built around the idea that the heads do not move, it's just the motors lift up. Yeah, and there will be an optical sensor to stabilize tape speed within certain limits. So stay tuned for updates. There will be updates about the main project pretty soon. So thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.